You step out of the tub or shower feeling all fresh and clean, but you wipe it away with a cold, damp, smelly towel? Not only uncomfortable, it's also unhygienic. Say hello to Ranvu, the most compact and fast-drying UV towel warmer, which makes every day feel like a spa day in a ritzy hotel. Coming in a compact size, Ranvu fits in a bathroom small or large and adds a touch of discreet luxury. It's also light enough to move around. Ranvu is the finishing touch to bring your bathroom together in comfort, style, and function. With Ranvu, you really can have it all. The touch panel allows you to choose from different drying modes and duration effortlessly. Rapidly heating up in 5 seconds, Ranvu has a drying time 33% faster than other towel warmers at a constant temperature. With the dual effect of warm air and sterilizing UV light, Ranvu is able to eliminate as much as 99% of bacteria on your towel. Equipped with 2 C-shaped hooks, Ranvu has a large capacity for drying towels, underwear, pajamas, socks, and so much more. It's super energy efficient, rated at IPX4 waterproof. Ranvu defies the humidity in your bathroom for a long haul of durability and security. Your safety is our top priority. With multiple protection features, Ranvu is shockproof and against overheating. The drill-free installation makes Ranvu extremely convenient and quick to use. Ranvu, keep warm and stay healthy.
For more such videos on innovative products, subscribe to our channel Big Boys Toys Global. Check the description for product information.